Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing masala puri street style chaat. Let's start with the ingredients. I've used one large potato here, peeled and chopped it into 6 cubes. Some fresh peas. We'll cook potato and peas with some salt and water for 4 to 5 whistles in the cooker. So here in the masalas we are using coriander powder, chilli powder, chaat masala. We are using cumin seeds and cumin powder. You can choose any one according to your choice. We have garam masala here and roasted cumin powder. Measurements are in the description. Next we are taking onion here, tomato, clove, garlic, ginger, green chillies, cumin seeds, few mint leaves and coriander leaves. Again informing you all the measurements and ingredients are in the description. Here I've heated 3 spoons of oil. We'll add clove, cumin, garlic and ginger. Make sure the flame is low. If not, the cumins will burn. We'll add onion here after 5 seconds. We'll cook until the onions turn soft. We don't have to overcook the onion. We'll just wait until the onions turn soft. So here the onions are soft. We'll add green chilies to it and saute this again for about 20 to 30 seconds. And finally we'll be adding the tomatoes and we'll just saute this until the tomatoes turn soft. We don't have to overcook the tomatoes as well. We'll just wait until it's soft. So it's soft now. We'll just turn off the flame and let this cool completely. So here we have the peas and the potato which we have cooked in the cooker. We'll just mash it a little. We'll not overdo it. Just a little until the potatoes are mashed. Next here I'm using the ingredients which is completely cooled down. To it I will add coriander and mint leaves. We'll blend this into a fine paste now. So the paste is ready. We'll start cooking. To the same kadai or a pan I've added 2 spoons of oil and we'll add 1 cinnamon stick here. And make sure the flame is low because we'll be adding the masalas now. If the flame is high, the masalas will burn. So I've added all the masalas. We'll just saute this for about a few seconds and then we'll add the paste that we've just blended here. So I've added the paste. We'll combine all the ingredients really well and we'll have to cook this paste for about 4 minutes or until the oil starts to separate. So as you can see, the oil has started to separate now. It's cooked really well. We'll be adding the potatoes and the peas which we've mashed. In case if you've used extra water while boiling the potatoes and peas, you don't have to throw that water away. You can use the water here to adjust the consistency of the masala. So just mix all the ingredients and we'll cook this for about 2-3 minutes again so that all the masalas can be cooked really well. So the masala is ready now. We'll start to serve this. So here I'm taking a bowl to which I've added the puris. I've used 7 to 8 puris here. I've crushed it. I will add the masala onto it. I'm using a thick masala here. You can adjust the consistency according to your choice. We'll add some finely chopped tomatoes and onion, a little curd. The puris that I've used here are homemade. I will make a separate video on it. We'll add some green chutney, sprinkle a little salt, chilli powder and chaat masala. So here the masala puri is ready to serve. So enjoy the recipe and do try this at home. And if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.